Why do builders' risk policy limits automatically change as your project grows? Imagine building a house or a big commercial space. As the project gets bigger and more complex, your insurance needs change too. That's where builders' risk insurance comes into play. It's designed to protect your construction project from damage or loss during the building process. But have you ever wondered why the policy limits, or the maximum amount the insurer will pay, seem to grow on their own? Well, let's find out. When you start a construction project, the insurance policy is set based on your initial estimate of how much the entire project will cost. This includes materials, labor, permits, and other expenses. But as work progresses, the project often becomes more valuable. Maybe you decide to add extra features, use higher quality materials, or extend the project timeline. These changes increase the total value of what you're building. If the insurance policy stayed fixed at the original estimate, it might not cover the full cost if something goes wrong. For example, if a fire damages part of the building halfway through, the repair costs could be higher than your initial coverage. That's why the policy limits need to increase as the project grows. Many builders' risk policies include special provisions or endorsements like inflation guard or change order endorsements. These allow the coverage limits to automatically adjust to match the rising value of the project. Some policies also requiring periodic updates from the builder or owner about the current project value. This helps the insurer know how much coverage is needed and adjust premiums accordingly. It's similar to how specialized home insurance needs can change if you add a new room or upgrade your property. The goal is to keep the coverage aligned with the actual value of what's being built. This automatic increase in policy limits is essential for protecting everyone involved. If the limits didn't grow, you could face out-of-pocket costs that are much higher than expected. Claims could be denied or only partially paid if the damage exceeds the coverage. That's why these policies are designed to grow with your project, ensuring you are always protected as your construction gets bigger and more valuable. In short, builders' risk policy limits automatically change as your project grows because construction projects are dynamic. They evolve, expand, and increase in value over time. Insurance providers recognize this and build in features that automatically keep your coverage up to date. This way, whether you're building a small home or a large commercial complex, your insurance stays aligned with the true value of your project, giving you peace of mind every step of the way.